It's like there's like a carbon monoxide leak in here or something. Look at this.
There is.
So, what's going on, you guys? Keep me on the camera here.
Bridgette's here!
God. That one even annoyed me. So, what's going on, you guys?
That one even annoyed me.
Keep me on the camera here.
Bridgette's here!
What time is it?
It is
5 o'clock.
5:12.
It is 5:12. And we are just sitting around. We are watching Arrested Development. This is episode 5.
Yep, after this we're watching Lost.
Bridget wants to watch Lost. And I told her how horrible that show turned. Starts off good, turns into a pile of shit. So I told her the only way I would watch Lost is if she watches Arrested Development. So I'm forcing her to sit through it. She hates it, but I'm forcing...
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
I just want to watch Lost. So I want to watch this all day and all night.
So we're getting through Arrested Development.
It's pretty good, though.
She hates it.
Quit lying.
But we're watching Arrested Development. We're on episode 5 right now. It's my favorite show of all time. I don't think there is a better show. You know, it's one of those things where if you can watch the show an episode 5 times and see something new every time. I just saw something new, you know, and I've been watching this show for fucking years. So you can always see something new when you watch Arrested Development. Genuinely hilarious. It's one of those humors that goes over your head at first, and you got to think about it for a second. It's really good. I love it. So I should be getting my loot crate here soon, actually. Have we checked the mail today?
No.
I'm going to check for loot crate. No loot crate, Bridget.
Nothing.
No loot crate. So Felix is sleeping in Clyde's cage right now.
That is really, really cute.
It's like I got a big old bed.
And I'm not afraid to use.
Did you watch my vlog last night, Bridget?
No.
I was playing with Felix with the laser light.
Aww.
Hey there, Felix.
Hey, Felix, are you hungry?
You want to see something that I find funny?
What?
This. These dogs. They're like, what is this barrier? They shut the door on us, guys. We can't get through. Like, all they have to do is push on it, and this thing's falling because it ain't attached to nothing.
I know, it's really funny.
It's like, look at this. Thing's just sitting here. All they have to do is push it on a little, they can get through.
What the?
What is this thing? Let us through! You gonna get a scratching post today, Felix?
2 of them. And nail caps.
Want to see the camera?
Oh, he's so cute.
See if he sees himself and see what he thinks. Ow. Ow. What's funny about that, Bridget?
It's really funny.
Ow.
When do we get another cat?
Whenever we find a good sphinx. The next cat we're getting is gonna be one of those hairless sphinx because I love hairless pussy. Bella's just chilling in her chair. What's up, girl? What? You want a special treat from the dog place?
We should bring her.
Bella! Oh my god! You're too big for this.
Aww. Sweet girl.
If you were a human, you'd be embarrassed right now. So we're just sitting out here chilling. Bella just tried to get through the arm of the chair and got stuck. We are on our way to Petco in just a minute. We're gonna.
Clyde.
No.
Why?
Bella. So we're on our way to Petco. We're gonna get a scratching post for the cat, some treats for the dogs,
and some toys that are too expensive.
Come on, no more toys. All we have is toys everywhere. So we're on our way right now. So, here we go, Petco. It's where the pets go. Did you like that?
Yeah.
She liked that. What is up with this one?
I don't know.
Would it like this?
Probably not. Look at this one though. So maybe this gets screwed into the top here.
What is it with this thing?
Oh. What is this thing? Oh wow.
So while we were in the pet store, we were asking the people who work there if there was anything that the cat could use to really teach it how to use the scratching post well. And they told us the thing to get was catnip, which is like marijuana for cats. Now, we told them that the cat is about 3 months old, and they said that the cat won't really like catnip until it's between 5 and 7 to 8 months, but it's safe for the cat. They said what we'll do is we take a little bit of it and we rub it on the scratching post, and the kitty will just start using it immediately, because apparently catnip drives cats wild. Cats like getting high. Wanna get high? So kitties like getting high too. You know? So this is Whiskey City Premium Catnip, and we're gonna rub it a little bit on this scratching post that we got for Felix and see if he likes it. Feel good, kitty kitty?
You're so smart.
Look.
I think he likes his new toy. Do you like it, Felix?
While we're at the pet store, we got the kitty a couple of these cat treats. I took one out. This is chicken cat treat. And I'm going to trick Bridgette into eating it. Because why not? We got to put some of this stuff up. These are your little delights. Oh, do you want to try that chicken jerky stuff?
Sure.
It's like half cheese, half chicken jerky.
Sure.
Here, I can get it over here. I'm going to film you trying it. We're going to be doing a review on the new Jimmy Dean chicken jerky. Chicken cheese jerky. Why do they make it? Isn't like the section where like candy bars and stuff are. Why would they make it so hard to open?
Where's the packaging at?
In the living room, it fell out.
So many calories is this?
110.
Ugh! I got juice all over me.
There's juice in it.
Jesus. What is this?
It's a hunk of chicken. Like chicken breast with cheese. Like jerkied.
I don't think you should buy this again, dude. Looks weird.
So how is it?
Good.
Stinks, dude.
Does kind of stink. I don't taste any cheese.
You don't taste the cheese?
No.
Probably isn't any cheese. Probably just chicken. And it doesn't look like jerky. It looks like a piece of chicken. And we'll get the package. I don't know how many calories is actually in it.
Alright. Is it healthy?
Okay. I don't see any calories. Oh, it's a cat treat.
Why? Oh.
Okay, let's get a thumbnail. Hold a chunk of meat to the.
Let go.
What? You wanted some chicken. Oh, God. Oh, God. Well, I just made Bridget eat a cat treat.
That was great, right?
What?
That was great, right?
I didn't hear what you said.
That was my great, right?
No, that wasn't your prank. That's just a small prank. You're gonna get lots of little small pranks, but you got a big one still coming. How was it? You want to go get a salmon one? Oh! Go! Are you crying or something?
No, I puked.
Here you go.
Yeah, Bridget, these are for cats.